Taylor Tales here. I'm with Old Nana, Dr. Exculia, and I Rich Ghost, and Heavy Havoc. Alright, we're doing the Turismo R and the Jester versus the Entity, okay? We're going to see how fast these cars are. So yeah, let's get ready. Ready? Countdown from 3, 2, 1, go. Follow the lines. Oh, looks like he left. Oh, screw it.
Oh, we took a different path.
I'll wait up for you. Yeah, let's go. Come on. This is the Jester versus the Turismo.
Robin's racing.
Just follow this track, it goes around what I'm on.
I've got more top than me.
Oh shit. You're winning. No, I'm gonna make up. Don't worry, I'll catch up.
Let's see the Turismo's top end get it here.
You know who got the great tracks? You're probably the big one. We're coming at you with them.
Oh, it's nearly the end too.
Doing well to keep the lead.
Oh, dirty.
Well, we know the Turismo is good for our nose diving.
And this is the end.
Supercars fucking scuffed handily, bro.
Oh well, both of them are pretty fast cars, but the Turismo just looks a little bit better. But they go pretty fast. The Turismo is a lot more expensive. So what would you prefer, the Turismo or the Jester?
I probably prefer the Turismo, but the Jester has more customization options, so that's a plus too.
Yeah, that is true. Yes.
Rich, if I keep going, these tires gonna pop.
For sure, man.
We should have tried the Alpha, but I didn't really want to try it because these two are probably better than that.
Let's just face the fact that, yeah, the Alpha's a shitbox. Done it up in single player and it sucks.
Okay, well that's you straight up and out there with that car. Alright guys, well thanks for watching.